Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a small cap where Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has bought 1.6 crore shares worth a 0.93% stake in the company during the last quarter. His aggregate stake in the company now stands at 2.60%. Now the stock is a penny stock trading at about 20 rupees and after correcting 50% or so from its 52-week high could well provide a decent margin of safety. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is TV18 Broadcast Limited, which is available at Rs.20.35 and the face value for it is 2. The symbol for it is TV18 BRDCST. Now TV18 Broadcast Limited, formerly IBN 18 Broadcast Limited, is engaged in television broadcasting networks. The company operates news channels such as CNBC TV18, CNBC Awaz, CNBC Bazaar, CNBC TV18 Prime HD, CNN News 18, News 18, IBN 7 and IBN Lokmat. The company also operates 10 regional news channels and has a joint venture with Viacom called Viacom 18, which operates a range of entertainment channels. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company has not really created any major wealth for its shareholders, and after consolidating for about half of the year, it has been on a consistent downtrend. The market cap of the company is 3,488.72 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 1.20 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 16.96, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 18.10. The price to book ratio of 0.83 is however not very expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.6086, whereas the return on equity for this company is a subdued figure at 0.0592. The company did not pay out any dividends, whereas the promoter holding is a very strong number and stands at 60.40%, out of which nothing is pledged. Total debt in the books of the company is 2,153.2 crores. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.